Ew.
Oh, so you're the new kid, huh? Everyone is talking about you.
Oh, are they? And what are they saying?
Nothing. Just that you're friends with that sociopath Gary.
Socio what?
Sociopath, it means... Never mind. Forget I said anything. I need you to help me.
Wait, you need me to help you?
I've got some library books that need to be returned, but I'm too scared to go to my locker.
Do I look like a librarian?
No, listen. I need your help. Pretend we're friends. Walk with me. I'll pay... I'll pay you $2.
$2? Are you crazy? Make it 5.
No. $2?
Great. $5. Let's go, buddy.
My mom calls me Prince Algae.
Greetings.
She says I'm really special.
NaSodium
Like a prince, you know?
potassium.
Do you really have to pee when you get nervous? I do. I get nervous.
Hey, Algernon, I heard you wet your bed again. We hit hard. Just you wait. I'll teach you what it means to be hurt, okay?
Hurt
You
him.
push
Make
the
him
ball.
cry.
Let's go. I'll get revenge.
I really have to pee.
I swear it. What's his problem? Don't stop. This is
Eat a urinal buckhole.
I'll break every bone in your scrawny little body, Joe. Now I got you. I'm going to catch you.
I've already wet myself once this month. If I do it again, they'll never let me hear the end of it. I can't go in.
When I get out of here, things are gonna be different. I know it. Maybe I should do sports or something.
Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
My legs hurt.
The true bulwark spirit.
Nobody hurt me today.
He's so dreamy. I'm sure this year will be much better than last. I hope. Maybe I should do sports or something.
Just look down. Don't make eye contact with anyone. I need it here so much.
I'm sure this year will be much better than last. I hope. I wonder if I can skip.
You're coming with me.
Ted Thompson called me his little buddy. I think we might become friends.
Keep doing that. I'll beat you. Are you looking
you
to be
around.
punished?
Goodbye.
I get so nervous? You just bumped into me.
Maybe I should abuse my authority and pick on
It
someone
has felt
else.
like ages since I've seen you last.
Bye.
Gotta get
Stop
new sheets
tickling me
again.
and I'll show you.
Just look down. Don't make eye contact with anyone.
Cover me! I'm going in! Hey! Were there 2 people in that stall?
Said they went into the bathroom.
No more messing around.
I'm gonna make you the loudest. Get close, but I'm showing you.
You don't have to prove anything.
Russell, I love you. How'd I lose? I'm Wade.
Oh,
I don't know why
so
more
good.
people don't love
Oh
sci-fi.
my god! Thank you. Ah, ah, ah,
Hi, it's me.
I hope you don't think this is creepy, but I've been watching. Don't play hard to get, okay?
I can't believe you asked me. Of
I
course.
sleep with my eyes.
I have to go practice. Hola.
Here it is! Thanks, Jimmy! Here's the cash! I'll tell my mom that not everyone at Bullworth is mean!